हम अभी जिस वक्त से गुजरे हैं, जो पैंडेमिक हुआ है, कोविड हुआ है हम सबको, आई थिंक उस वक्त हम सब बेचैनी से मर रहे थे, हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं था कि क्या हो रहा है। सेवियर क्या थी? ऑफ कोर्स जिन लोगों को पढ़ने आता था, द अडल्ट्स वर रीडिंग सम ऑफ देम, बट बाकी जो who did not know anything and whose were impacted were the children, because they did not know, so they all also got into a bad habit of watching, scrolling, doing that, because their school going time was impacted, their learning time was impacted, the skill of teaching them how to read. So it was just a very traumatic, difficult time. But I think now parents must take out the time, and if parents are busy, जैसे मैंने कहा, friends हो, grandparents हो, दादा दादी हो, वक्त निकालें, अपने भाषा में वक्त निकालें पढ़ने के लिए, 15 मिनट 20 मिनट आई थिंक दिन में। बाकी वक्त आप स्क्रॉल करते रहे, स्पॉट खेलते रहे, वो ठीक है, बट वी मस्ट टेक आउट दिस टाइम टू इनकरेज द चाइल्ड टू रीड एट होम ऑल्सो। क्योंकि मैं 2 बच्चों की माँ हूँ, मुझे पता है कि मैं कितना इनकरेज करती हूँ। वो बेड टाइम की जो कहानी होती है कि जो तैमूर और जे सुनते हैं आज भी, तैमूर खास करके, क्योंकि अभी ही इज़ इन दैट प्राइमरी ईयर्स ऑफ वांटिंग टू रीड, वांटिंग टू शो करके मुझे पढ़ना आता है, कोशिश करना आता है। ही लाइक्स टू डू एंड ही इज़ लविंग रीडिंग, चाहे वो अमर चित्रकथा की कहानी हो, पंचतंत्र की कहानियाँ हो, अकबर बीरबल की कहानियाँ हो। ही इज़ enjoying अलादीन, ही इज़ enjoying all these kind of stories right now. And for me to see and टेक आउट वो जो 15-20 मिनट जो वक्त हम लोग निकालते हैं, of course with our busy schedule, Saif and me, it's always either him or me, we take out that time. That वो पत्थर में लिखा हुआ है कि वो टाइम जो है तैमूर के सोने से पहले, कि माँ या बाप को डेफिनेटली, ऑफ कोर्स वर्किंग पेरेंट्स होती ही, बट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, आंट्स, अंकल्स, कजन्स, सिस्टर्स, फ्रेंड्स, एनीबडी, idea is that to enjoy the time when you're reading also, because that helps explore the child's mind, it opens their, like I said, that I started very late, and of course I started because Saif also pointed me in the direction of um, engaging myself and engaging my mind through the pages of a book. So I definitely think that it allows you to grow in a very, very special way, because it allows the imagination and your mind to kind of feel for those characters and think. Like I said, that many teachers ko bhi bataya that Taimur is reading all the Amar Chitra Kathas, and he's so excited about listening and reading to them that he wants to enact the parts now. He feels that now he can do that. So it's led to his mind in terms of realizing that, okay, like I love this story, I'm engaged in this story, so now I want to maybe do drama about it. So somewhere it does help, I mean, it is probably the most important tool, to the mind. So many, I mean, जैसे अभी मैंने पहले भी कहा था teachers को that I feel I live in a library, because my husband actually preserves his books, he's kept his books, his mum has kept all his books that he would read as a child or she would read to him. So I think that is the value that we have for, and hopefully my children are seeing that and getting that. So for us to give a book also as a present or donate it to people